I'm capturing this because this is the ongoing obsessive stalking, and this is exactly what, during the day when I'm documenting demons that are stalking in bathroom stalls, that same obsession. This is what's going on in the bathrooms. This is what you need to know that the state of California is engaged in. And the state of California is an exceedingly violent sex offender, and that's exactly how justice requires it be prosecuted, because that's what it's doing. All right, this obsession, this stalking me by helicopter, just on and on and on and on and on. Understand that that is taking place in bathrooms, which is a private space. And this government is stalking in the same way that you're witnessing it stalking now, as I'm capturing it in video after video. This obsession, this stalking conduct is occurring in bathrooms. The demon-possessed third-party group stalking minions that are the people of the state are stalking as in the shoes of this government in bathrooms. And it is obsessive stalking conduct, and that's exactly why I document it. And this is also the hostility, as I'm also documenting those sex offenders, such as Stephanie Ortiz, okay, and the Fontana Police Department. Violent sex offenders, okay? The demon that I'm documenting inside of the Upland Public Library, a violent sex offender, and also a demon. Just like this psychopath, this is a demon that's stalking me by helicopter. And this is the same exact demon-possessed entity that's stalking in bathrooms, in the bathroom, okay? That's a sex offender. That's a psychopath that's stalking me by helicopter, that is stalking in bathrooms, okay? And I want to be clear on that. That's why I'm capturing video, because you need to understand that this is the obsessive stalking conduct by a government. They're all stalking. This is group stalking. This is group stalking. All right? This is group stalking in your face. This is Satan. This is demon possession. It's demonic activity, and the actual elements underway is crossing a path. All right, I'm being molested with what is directed light. They are moving around in engineered light. It's activity creation while they are crossing path. And they are stalking with the government that's flying over and around by helicopter. Understand that it's concerted conduct. It's ongoing inside of whatever venue that I'm at as well. And this is Satan that is stalking in plain sight. It's referred to as what is federal group stalking and monitoring. That's what group stalking is. Demonic activity. Minions just like this, you're going to snatch them up. They're going to federal prison. That's exactly what's going on. While I'm documenting this, you're understanding how the system operates, because the people of the state are dangerous. They are dangerous and closeted psychopaths. And I'm revealing that conduct. This is conduct stalking with the state, and doing so in your face. Just stalking you in your face. That's what the government is doing, stalking by helicopter. It is currently 10:01 p.m. Understand that crossing in path conduct, driving in their vehicles, they are crossing path. This is group stalking conduct that you're looking at. I am being surrounded with what is the engineered light. The entity is flying over me by helicopter. And the entity is also group stalking by minions, such as this one over here is group stalking. All right, just stalking in the path. And that's a psychopath that's stalking. This is obsession that is demonstrated while they engage in the elements of monitoring. And these same demons, like I said, the entity, the people of the state, are stalkers that are in bathrooms stalking. Okay, doing so while they are looking the opposite direction, you're stalking in the path, and they're listening to everywhere. That's the reality of what's wrong with Satan and this demonic system that I'm revealing. They're stalking me, all right? And there is no persuasive form of stalking in the path that makes it look like you're doing anything other than that, especially while the government is stalking by helicopter. You're just seeing it more vividly while you're looking at the government, on whose behalf the people of the state, who I'm documenting day in and day out, while you're looking at the government flying over me by helicopter. But understand, when I'm inside of the venues and I'm documenting the P.O.C., that same government is stalking by demons such as this third party who's stalking in the path right here, okay? And stalking in the path through traffic. It is currently 10:03 p.m. P.O.C.